Okay.
Okay, hello everybody. I came up with this neat solution to mail LPs. I wanted some extra space, so the box I'm using is a 13 by 13 by 2 inch box, and that gives enough room around the edges of a 12.5 inch LP to give a little cushioning. So I've got an LP here that I'm pretending to mail. First off, I like having these little sleeves to put the record in to protect it. Put one crumpled piece of paper down as a base, and in the book here, what I have here is insulation, foam insulation for a 1/2 inch copper pipe. It's got a little slit, you got to open it up, and you cut them into little 3/4 inch corners. And what you do is you just attach at the cut point on each of the corners, so that'll keep the edges of the LP away from the corners of the box. Okay, so it gives a little spacing, and it does have a little bit of give, so it pushes back down on it. So we got eight spacers, and one fell off and another fell off, but that's all right. Okay, so we got 8 spacers. I crumpled a piece of basic moving paper down at the bottom for padding on the bottom of the LP. So you take this, and can you see that? How that's going to keep the LP on all 4 sides. Okay, push it down. Another piece of padding on the top. Remember, the LP is not that heavy, so that all works out pretty good. So squish this down. Okay, and there you have it. A couple pieces of tape on edges of the box. Now you can tell that it is nice and secure in there. It's not going to rattle or move, and it's the spacers keep it an even distance away from the edge of the 13 by 13 box. So that's my now you're just ready for some final box tape and the label, and you're good to go. Thanks.